In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a voiceover in Clipchamp in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to video editing or an experienced content creator, mastering voiceovers can greatly enhance your videos, adding a personal touch that can engage your audience. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a user-friendly tool that offers an intuitive interface for both beginners and advanced users. Once you land on the site, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. Otherwise, simply log in with your details. Once logged in, navigate to your video project. This is where your voiceover will bring life to your visual content. If you haven't created a video project yet, now would be a great time to do so by importing your video files. With your project open, look at the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you will see several options under the Record and Create tab. Clicking this will reveal a list of recording options provided by Clipchamp. From this list, choose Audio. This selection is specifically for recording voiceovers. If this is your first time using Clipchamp for audio recording, a pop-up may appear asking for permission to use your microphone. Granting this permission is crucial for recording, so make sure to click Allow. Now, if you have multiple microphones connected, such as a built-in laptop mic and an external one, you'll need to select which source you prefer to use. Take a moment to choose the microphone that will provide the best sound quality for your project. Sound quality can make a big difference in how professional your voiceover sounds. Once your microphone is selected, you're ready to start recording. Simply click the red microphone button at the bottom of the screen. A timer will automatically start, indicating that your recording is underway. Try to speak clearly and steadily, keeping an eye on the timer if you're working with a specific time constraint. When you're finished recording, click the red button again to stop. It's always a good idea to review your work, so use the play button to listen to the recording you just made. This way, you can ensure it meets your expectations. If you're not entirely happy with the recording, perhaps due to a slip of the tongue or background noise, simply click the Retake Recording option to start over. This flexibility is one of the great features of Clipchamp. Once you're content with the recording, click on Save and Edit. This action will automatically add the voiceover to your timeline as an audio track, seamlessly integrating it with your video content. You can now proceed to make any final adjustments, ensuring everything syncs perfectly before exporting your video. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be able to record professional quality voiceovers in Clipchamp, enhancing your videos and engaging your viewers effectively.